Ever wonder if your secure folder apps keep running even after you lock them? Let's see how to control background activity for better privacy and battery life. The secure folder protects your private apps and data, but some apps might still run in the background when the folder is locked. You can now decide whether to allow or block that background activity. To do so, go to the app screen, then tap secure folder, enter your screen lock, tap the three dot at the top right, then tap setting. Now, enable or disable allow background activity while locked. When this option is enabled, apps inside secure folder can run in the background even when it's locked, while when this option is disabled, apps inside secure folder will stop background activity when it's locked, improving privacy and saving battery. Now you have full control over what your secure folder apps do behind the scene, whether you prefer privacy mode or performance modes. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.